Hi guys, I am making a video to explain extra credit options. Some people have missed discussions. It happens, it's part of life to miss assignments. Anyone who's wishing to make those up can pay attention to this video and figure out how you want to earn extra points. That will help you. I just received this email about discrete skills workshops this spring in the tutoring center, which is located in the LRC, bottom floor, right when you go through the double doors. It's kind of under the stairs, the door to the tutoring center. Inside the tutoring center is also the writing center. So this video I'm going to kind of explain two options that you have for extra credit. And so these are the options that you can take advantage of if you need more points or want more points or are aiming for a specific grade. So this handout is about workshops that are currently available. The schedule just came out. It starts March 6th and then it goes through April 12th. They're probably going to come out with more, but these are really great resources. So it says here, all workshops are held in the Ventura College Tutoring Center located on the first floor of the LRC, Learning Resource Center building. And so it kind of goes through the different workshops if you're interested in certain things. For example, the first week we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There's a workshop at 8:30 and there's also a workshop at noon. So you can figure out what works for your schedule and you can attend it if you would like. It's really good time with our skills. We have summary workshop, evaluating sources, organizing, integrating sources, transitioning, and then documenting sources. So that's the first week if you're interested. So the way you can earn extra credit is attend the workshop, sign in. Ray will be doing the workshops in the tutoring center and he's awesome. He's an IDS faculty. He's been here for a long time. He has a lot of practice integrating workshops into VO1A classes, VO2 classes, working across the curriculum, but really working and linking up with English instructors and honing in on certain skills that are really useful, not only in English, but in all your classes where you're using reading and writing. So again, if you're interested in that option, you are going to go to the tutoring center, and attend a workshop, and then you are going to go online and I will create a discussion titled Extra Credit. Well, you will post a paragraph about your experience, kind of the who, what, when, where, why, giving us kind of a little overview, a little recap of your workshop, and that's how you'll earn extra credit. Every time you attend a workshop, you can earn 10 points extra credit. It's a good way to make up a discussion or points that you missed. So for example, if you got a 65% on essay number 1 and you're bummed out because you feel like you could have done better on that essay, you can attend a workshop and earn 10 more points. That would take your grade from a 65% to a 75%. So it would move from not passing to passing, technically, if you're just looking at points. So again, it's a great way to earn extra credit. It's really important to kind of seek out the resources that you need, the help that you need, so you can kind of strengthen yourself in the area that you're needing to work on, and then you can work on that skill also in your writing later. It will kind of transfer through and carry on. The other way that you can earn extra credit is to go to the writing center, and there's a lot of tutors in there. They're amazing. There's Sterling, Kendra, Serena, Max, and probably a few others in the writing center. And so if you're interested in taking your essay or any of the work you've been doing for this class, a 2-page reading response, or you're working on a 2-page reading response and you want some kind of feedback, you can go into the writing center, work with one of the tutors, log in, and then again post to the extra credit discussion who, what, when, where, why, how, who you saw, what you worked on, and what you got from it. So you're sharing this information with other people in the class. So you're kind of giving a recap of your workshop session, and that's another way to earn 10 extra points. So again, these are the extra credit options. I hope you find them useful. This schedule just came out. I will be posting it on the homepage for class and bringing some copies to class if you need a hard copy. So I highly, highly, highly encourage you to motivate yourself outwardly so you can feel stronger and more confident with your skills, and so that your grade truly reflects your work ethic, and how much you are trying to better yourself as a writer and to better yourself as a thinker and a better communicator. So again, extra credit options in the tutoring center, either with these discrete skills workshops or working in the writing center, which is also located in the tutoring center, on your writing, any writing, a 2-page response, an essay. It could even be you have your laptop up and you're working on your discussions for the week and just getting feedback from a tutor. So 2 minds is always better than 1. Getting some feedback is helpful. It kind of boosts your confidence and makes you see how simple the task is because you're not overwhelmed by your fear of it. So again, These are extra credit options. I hope that you take advantage of them.